understand, because the true meaning of narcissism, when it gets right down to it, is this is an individual who has such a poor self-esteem, such a poor self-view, that they think to themselves, if you only saw what I see when I look in the mirror, you would be disgusted with what you see, just like I am. Now remember, most of this is unconscious. We often like to believe that narcissism is a conscious thing. It's not. It's unconscious. And so one of the things there that you'll see is they are so threatened by how inadequate they feel that they actually create a fantasy world where they are fantastic. And this is their defense against facing what they don't yet have the strength to face. They will demand that everybody treat them as if they're fantastic and wonderful. Whereas a narcissist would not be conscious of it because that would be too painful. They instead would be looking at it saying, how dare you disrespect me? I'm a victim now of you. Whereas,